2, 3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a fun song by Marc Cohn. Oldie but goodie, Walking in Memphis. Alright, so let's start with putting a capo on 5th fret, please. We got some nice open chords. We got C major, let's go. 1, 2, 3. We got D major. We got G major. 1, 2, 3. And E minor. For the bridge, we got some other stuff going on. Let's talk about that when we get there. So, obviously this is a piano song, but I checked out some different versions, and I think it's cool if we can do it finger style in the beginning, and then when the chorus hits, we can add the pick to make it stronger. Switching is C, D, G, E minor. You want to push from C to D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it slower. And then you want to push from G to E minor. For C, I'm grabbing the thumb in the bass on the A string, and then I'm grabbing G and B at the same time. With yeah, I'll keep my pick right here while I'm doing that, so you can see what I'm doing. These two guys. Not the pinky, these two guys. Ring finger. Same thing with D. Thumb, D in the bass, and grab B and E string. And then G, grab the E string, low E, G and B. And over E minor, grab low E string and G and B. To C, D, he doesn't do a whole C, D, G, E minor. He goes C, D, and then back to verses. Let's do chorus. Here we go. Can we use the fingers again? Bass over an F, typical piano chord. So grab G in the bass, third finger, and then pinky, third fret D, second fret A, second fret G, sorry, first finger on first fret B, and then grab G sus. And then G. 3 times. And then we got a B7. That's 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. To C. And this is the part where they slow down a little bit, and then we have a C sharp diminished, or yeah, C sharp diminished. That's from the capo 1, 2, 3. That's 4, 5, 3, 5, starting on the A string, and end on the D7, and then it goes back to walking in Memphis. And then the ending, we can bring it down again. Same thing, D, C, D, and then. It sings the first verse again. At least the beginning of it. Alright folks, that's it. So let's review before we end. Main verses. C, D, G, E minor. And like I said, it's cool if we can pick that with our fingers. For the chorus we can use a pick. C, D, back to. Yeah, and then after second chorus, we got the bridge. G over F, G in the bass over F major. To G sus to G. B7 to C to C sharp diminished and on D7. Cool guys, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow like always with more cool stuff. Maybe I'll do some more Halloween stuff tomorrow. We'll see. Bye.